Hello, I'm Manu. Here is a garden in a flat channel. This channel is dedicated to gardening in small spaces, very small spaces, and salads from our crops. Today, as you see here, it's a January frosty day, still snowy here, and we have some lettuce here in our cold frame. By the way, outside is a little bit above 0 degrees Celsius. Because of the sunbeams, this thermometer it doesn't measure well, just after the sunset. But inside the cold frame, in this night outside were minus 7 degrees Celsius, and inside were minus 4 degrees. But this lettuce is still alive. Then what I would like to show you is that this salad variety, winter Butterhead, is it thrives well in cold climate. No, not cold climate. Here the winters are tough and the summers are hot. It thrives well in cold winters, in temperatures below 0, and it's easy to propagate, easy to have your own seeds. I sown my own seeds from my last crop. One of the aims with this channel is to obtain my own crops, then my own seeds, and to sow my own seeds over and over again. You have crops over and over again. This is Lollo rosso, and the second one. My mentor told me that when I use the tea bags, you remember the tea that I used to drink with the salads? Just put them in the water that I water the plant with. Yes. We'll see later on how this lettuce develop, and we hope that maybe after 2 months we'll be able to prepare our own salads from these lettuces. In the next video I will tell you about this cold frame. If you like this idea, don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Have a nice day. Bye bye.